You've been watching Unreal Engine tutorials for months. You feel like you're learning, but the moment you close the video and open a blank project, nothing. Sound familiar? You're in tutorial hell, and in this video, I'm going to get you out of it. First of all, let's define what tutorial hell actually is. Tutorial hell is when you find yourself watching tutorial after tutorial, following along endlessly, but never actually building anything on your own. You feel like you're learning, but you're stuck in a loop. When you follow a tutorial, your goal should be to collect and absorb knowledge. Let me explain it with an analogy. If I wanted to build a boat from scratch, would I just dive in and start hammering wood together, hoping to build a boat? No. I'd first look at how other people built boats so I understand the process and the fundamentals. But here's the key. If I spent all day just watching people build boats and never actually tried myself, I'd never learn. It's only through practice that knowledge becomes real. That's why tutorials are still important. You need a starting point. They are actually the primary way how I learned Unreal Engine. So if you want to learn Unreal Engine, you'll need tutorials, but there's a right way and a wrong way to use them. Using them the wrong way is the reason most people end up in tutorial hell. They're not practicing. Watching someone build a boat is not enough. You have to pick up the tools yourself and put pieces together, make mistakes and figure them out with your own hands and your own brain. That's where the real learning happens. There's actually something interesting I've noticed. I've had students follow along my courses or tutorials, and sometimes they're like, hey, this step is missing, or you forgot this part. But then those same students will come back to me and say, I actually liked that this part was missing because it forced them to think and to problem solve and find a solution on their own. So the way out of tutorial hell is through practice. Now you might be thinking, but how can I practice if I don't know anything? Won't I still need a tutorial? Here's the thing, you can probably build something in Unreal Engine right now. The real issue is that you might be trying to build something way above your current skill level. The classic example is a beginner trying to make a massive open world Skyrim style RPG as their very first game. If I go back to my boat analogy, imagine I told you I wanted to build a full-size sailboat with multiple decks and a complex rigging system as my first boat. You'd say it's not possible. That'd be way too overwhelming. But if I said I wanted to build a small model boat that can float in water, that's very achievable. And then from there, I could build another bigger boat, learn from that experience, and keep improving and scaling up over time. Do you see where I'm going with this? Start with a simple project, a very small, very simple project. You can absolutely watch tutorials to get a grasp of the basics, and then you can use that knowledge to build something small on your own. That's why earlier this year, one of my tutorials I made was a step-by-step guide on how to make Pong in Unreal Engine. It's one of the simplest projects you can build, and it will teach you a lot. To show you an example, I want to share one of the first games I ever made, Minute Monkey. The game is incredibly simple. I just replaced the default Unreal Engine mannequin with a monkey character, and I added a big countdown timer to the level. You have 60 seconds to reach the level goal. If you fail, you die. That's it. A very simple project, and it looks kind of janky, but it taught me a ton. And now I'm able to create much more complex projects. So pick any simple project and make it. Then from there you can expand, add mechanics, and scale up bit by bit. If what you're building starts to feel too easy, great, you can make it more complex, add a new mechanic, and push yourself gradually. And if you need help getting started, make sure to get my free Unreal Engine beginner course, link in the description. That will teach you all of the complete fundamentals that I think beginners should know before they start making projects. So, to sum it up, to escape tutorial hell, you need to practice what you learn. Also, I want to share with you a quote. I like quotes. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small and let the momentum carry you forward. Okay, with that, I now hope you know how to escape tutorial hell. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!